Hey everyone, so this is a collab with the lovely Tammy's Manis. We thought we would do a 12 days of Christmas designs collab. So this is day 1 and this is ugly sweater. So we sort of like, I picked one, she picked one, I picked one, she picked one. So yep, I will stick some music on because it's fairly simple what I'm doing. If I do feel I need to come back, then I will. Don't forget to go over and check out Tammy's video. I will have it linked in the description box and in the pinned comment as well. And if you're not subscribed to both of us, please consider subscribing. And yep, so just sit back, relax, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Okay, see you soon. So that's the finished design. I'm just going to apply the final top coat. I really like how it came out. My hands were shaking so much that, yeah, my stamping's a little bit wonky, but I still like how it came out anyway. I think it turned out really, really cute. So I will have glossy and matte pictures at the end, and yeah, I think it turned out super cute. So don't forget to go over and check out Tammy's video as well. As I said, I will have it linked, and yep, hopefully you will join us both tomorrow. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed my video today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yep, stay safe, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.